Hi guys, and welcome back. In this video, I'm just going to share some quick updates on GNUS Brands. Ticker symbol is GNUS, and show you guys how you can possibly get the stock at a discounted price. But before I continue with that, just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. I also just started my Discord Patreon page where I'm trying to find like-minded people like myself who is interested in making money in the stock markets. I will also be sharing my trades with you guys as well. If you are interested, check out my link down below. We already have 50 members in there, and we would love for you to come collaborate with us, learn from each other, share ideas, and grow our portfolios together. So GNUS Brands is down 20% today. So there was some good news, but let's take a look at that. So GNUS Brands announced today a collaboration with Marvel Studios, where Marvel Studios has licensed from GNUS Brands certain likeliness rights to Stan Lee in support of exciting future marketing content celebrating the legacy of Marvel Studios. This initiative between GNUS Brands and Marvel Studios using the assets of Stan Lee is the first collaboration between the companies. The companies are also discussing ways to work together on other Stan Lee related initiatives in the future. The CEO stated, "The faithful protection of Stan's brand for the millions of fans around the world is a sacred stewardship for us at GNUS Brands. As we approach the Stan Lee centennial in 2022 and focus on celebrating the unique and iconic stature of Stan Lee, we are thrilled to collaborate with Marvel Studios." So we already knew that they were going to make that announcement today. And I think what it was buy the rumor, sell the news. And it's happened with GNUS many times in the past. Every time that Andy Haywood, the CEO, comes out with a press release, the stock immediately drops. But I do believe this is a good opportunity to either average down or start a small position, because I do believe that GNUS Brands will go to at least $10, if not more, by the end of this year. So I got into GNUS Brands last year when it went up to $11, and then it came crashing down. And at that time, a lot of people were assuming they were going to get bought out by either Netflix or Disney. So that was a rumor that never happened. I got caught in a falling knife, and I do believe this is the true value of where the stock should be trading at. And we take a look at the 1 month. So it has been keeping steady above $2, and right now even it's holding up above the $2 support. So what I'm going to show you now is how to sell a cash secure put so that you can essentially get the stock at a discounted price. So you need to be able to buy at least 100 shares of GNUS. So what we're going to do is going to go hit trade options, and we're going to go to April 9th. You can choose April 9th or April 16th. Further out you go in expiration dates, the more premium that we as option sellers can receive. But I don't like to go too far because our collateral will be tied up, and I don't want it to be tied up for that long. So the collateral is calculated by 100 times our strike price. See, our strike price is 2. So think of the 2 as the price that we are willing to pay the stock at. And I know you're thinking, well, why can't we just buy it at 204? Well, if we sell a 2 strike price, we can receive a $19 premium. So $19 premium we receive, and we can use that money to immediately buy shares of GNUS. So guys, this is free money that we get for setting a buy limit. And all you have to put up is $200 in collateral. I would do that right now because I want to get GNUS when it hits $2. So we're going to put 0.19, and that's $19 because every time we put a limit price to calculate how much credit you'll get, just multiply that by 100 because there's 100 shares in one contract. So review. It says collateral is $200. Order summary. You're agreeing to buy 100 shares of GNUS at $2 per share on or before April 9th. If you aren't asked to buy GNUS by then, you'll keep your collateral in the full $19 credit. So the only way we'll be able to buy 100 shares at $2 is if the stock price is at 2 or below on expiration dates, which is April 9th. If it closes above $2, what happens is that our collateral is released back to me, and no matter what happens to the option, we get to keep the $19 premium. So we're going to go ahead and swipe up to submit to see if this works. It's placed, but it hasn't been filled yet. So I'm just going to wait until that gets filled. And now we're going to try to see how much we can get for the 16th cash secure puts. So now we can receive a little bit more. So I'm going to go ahead and do a 24 and then get $24. Review. There we go. So I'm just going to change it to 18. Filled for $18. And then this one, place order, continue. And then we're just going to do 23. There we go. It got filled, guys. So let's check in our orders now. So we have 2 strike price cash secure puts. We were able to collect $18. And then the other one, same strike price. A week later, we collect $23. So that's a possible way to get the stock at a discounted price. If you guys are planning to buy 100 shares of the stock, why not sell a cash secure put, generate some extra income, and possibly get the stock at a discounted price? Thank you so much, guys. Let me know how many shares you guys have of GNUS Brands, or if you're planning to buy into it. Thanks so much. And do consider joining the Patreon Discord page. We already have 50 members in there, and we would love for you to come collaborate with us, talk about stocks, options, trying to find new strategies so that we can improve as a trader and investor, and you'll most likely make your money back in the first option trade that you make. So definitely check us out. Hope to see you there. If you are interested in helping out the channel, you can sign up for Webull if you haven't already. They are currently offering 2 free stocks now. It used to be 4, so you don't want to wait until it gets to 1 free stock or no stocks at all. So you get 1 free stock when you open up a Webull account. And when you deposit $100 or more, you get 1 more free stock, which is valued between $8 and $1,600. And if you are transferring from another brokerage, they will reimburse you the fees up to $100. And you will also receive a complimentary 3-month subscription to Level 2 Events NASDAQ Total View from the day you sign up. So guys, what are you waiting for? 2 free stocks are waiting for you.